Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to update American Megatrends BIOS. Updating your American Megatrends BIOS can help fix bugs, improve compatibility, and boost overall performance. First, determine if your motherboard is made by American Trends or another manufacturer. You can check this via your system information or by using ZPUZ, a free tool that displays detailed hardware info. If it's a non-AMI board, download the latest BIOS file from your motherboard manufacturer's website and use your BIOS update utility. If it's AMI, visit the American Megatrends website, find the BIOS file matching your motherboard model, serial number, then extract it and place it directly onto a USB driver, not inside a folder. Restart your PC, press F12 during POST to access the BIOS flash menu, select your USB drive, confirm the model, and proceed with the update. Once the process finishes, restart your PC and enjoy the improved stability and performance. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.